Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make grid lines dash in Photoshop. First of all, create a new layer. Okay, then press Ctrl R on your keyboard. Then show this roller. Click and drag it. Again, click and drag it to your measurement. I use this single size measurement. Apply the same formula. Okay. Then click the pen tool, right click on your mouse, select the pen tool, fill, do not use fill, shape, stroke color black and PT 1.33. You can change anytime or 32 as you wish. Okay. Then click this, select dash line, press enter. Okay, and click this point, hold shape. Now we can see this. Right click on your mouse, click the shape, right click on your mouse, convert to smart object. Again right click on your mouse, rasterize layer, then hold Ctrl Alt press T on your keyboard, click and drag it. Or inside or outside as you wish. I click this outside. Now see this. Then hold, first of all hold Control, secondly hold Shift, third hold Alt, then press T on your keyboard. Okay, and again apply this same formula. Hold Shift, press Ctrl Z group, again create a new layer and apply the same formula. Hold Shift, okay, then click the shape, right click on your mouse, convert to smart object, again right click on your mouse, rasterize layer, then hold Ctrl Alt press T, click and drag it or outside or inside as you wish, click OK, then hold Ctrl Shift Alt press T. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Press Ctrl D or remove, press Ctrl H or remove this measurement.